In a world where agricultural security is compromised, challenges arise. When agricultural security falters, the consequences ripple through our nation. But there are people who work to prevent outcomes like that every day. The responsibility rests on us, United States Customs and Border Protection's elite team of agriculture specialists. We inspect, we detect, and we protect. We work in law enforcement in a unique specialized role within CBP. We use our scientific training and expertise to inspect passengers and commodities entering the U.S., looking for pathogens that could harm American agriculture and our bioeconomy, intercepting invasive species that could damage our crops and natural resources, analyzing biological threats, identifying threat vectors, and targeting high-risk shipments, and enforcing regulations that keep America safe and facilitate legitimate trade and travel. So, if you have education in agricultural, plant, environmental, or general science, or experience in lab work, research, or analysis in any other scientific field, we want you to know there's a career for you at U.S. Customs and Border Protection, the nation's largest federal law enforcement agency. CBP agriculture specialists work on our nation's front line at airports, seaports, land borders, and international cargo and mail facilities. We use advanced targeting methods, data analysis, cross-functional training, and an all-threats model to stay on the cutting edge. All with federal pay and benefits, including a competitive salary, excellent healthcare and retirement plans, and strong training programs for career progression. As a CBP agriculture specialist, you're part of a nationwide community of dedicated professionals, learning from and teaching each other, growing our skills and careers, and helping travelers and U.S. trade partners from around the world, no matter their cultural or economic background, with career opportunities that span the globe. And we're a diverse team. CBP agriculture specialists can join our K-9 units, working with four-legged partners who have a keen nose for detection. We work as threat targeters, using data to identify and predict where high-risk imports are coming from. We train to detect smuggled prohibited items and non-compliance with U.S. agriculture regulations. We enforce biothreat exclusion policies that protect the nation from biological threats. And there are opportunities to work in different ports of entry and overseas, expanding our border security beyond the United States. Senior staff have the ability to train the next cohort of CBP agriculture specialists, and there are pathways into management and leadership positions. But at our core, we're scientists, investigators, and enforcers. So, if you are someone who wants to distinguish yourself and end each day knowing you accomplished something for your career, the environment, your community, and the world, head here to learn more about starting a career as a CBP agriculture specialist.